Hi Abigail, this is my explanation video for assignment 4, and I use this for malloc and I use this for string and copy. And firstly, I use a while loop to check if the pointer have already reached the end of the string, and if the pointer have already reached the end of the string, it will return the count directly. And if the pointer have not reached the end of the string, it will check if the pointer if met a space or not. If the pointer have already met a space, I will increment the count to increment the space counting. And whatever the pointer met, I will let the pointer move to the next character, like ABC. I will let the pointer firstly point to the A. After I use a pointer plus plus, it will become to the pointer move to the B, and pointer plus plus pointer will point to the C. Yeah. And then I use a malloc for the buffer. And I use count spaces the string +1 because actually the string gonna look like this. Yeah. And there's a space between it, and there's only one space, so I add 1 to it, and it will become the length of the it's gonna be the number of the word in this string. And I use the number of word in the string to multiply the size of the character to get the malloc space for the word array to store the string after split. And I use two pointer to point to the two side of the word, like ABC, EFG. The right pointer and left pointer will point to the A at the same time at the start, and I will move the right pointer to the right until it moves to space. And if it met a space, it will stop. And I use right minus left +1 to get a space for the word. I use a +1 because I need to get the place for the end of the word, like this #0. And I use the string and copy to copy the word into this array. After that, I need to add a #0 to the end of each word, because the string and copy does not have end byte #0, so I need to add it by myself. And then I increment the right pointer, and we will keep move to the another start of the word. And I increment the sorry for my voice, I got a little bit cold today. And I will let the left pointer move right pointer I will move the left pointer and right pointer to the same place, just like the start of next word. And after this all, because the right pointer equals to the end of the string, because it will look like this: A, B, C, F, G, H, J, K. And if the left pointer is at this place and right pointer reach to the end of the string, it will quit this while loop directly. So I need to add an extra place there to avoid to ignore the final word there. So I just repeat the code down there to there to avoid to ignore the final word in this string. They are the same code actually. And finally, I set I to the array size, and finally it will return the words as to the array. And finally, I use a cleanup. It actually just release the malloc buffer, and this is in individual and this is free whole array. And thank you for listening. Hope you have a good weekend.